So here we have the HogWorkz HALOMAKER Headlight, the Daymaker replacement for Harley touring and softails. This plug-and-play headlight is extremely bright, giving you that extra security on the road during the day and especially at night. Has an ultra-durable, shatter-resistant polycarbonate lens and is backed by HogWorkz lifetime warranty.
It's gotta be quick.
Yeah. All right, switching out the headlight. You have the one Phillips head screw on the bottom. You take off the headlight door. Call it a headlight door, but it's just a trim, right?
Trim ring.
Trim ring.
Gotta have the stumpy screwdriver.
Oh, the stumpy screwdriver is the best. All right, then you have what, 3 Phillips head screws?
Yeah, but I'm only gonna take out 2 of these.
Yep. Look at that. Quick installs. Yeah. So, bunch of instructions. But if you need instructions on how to change a headlight, you should probably go see a professional. So you get your wiring harness adapter, right?
Yeah. It's the adapter for the
adapter. You just plug that right in. Easy. I love that ring, that halo ring around it. It's like my guardian angel. That's it. You just connect it to the stock connector.
That's it. Make sure it's not upside down.
Make sure it's not upside down. And then you lose your screw. That's the longest. Look at that. Fell right where it's supposed to.
Yeah.
Make sure you have your fender covered up for purposes like that. I learned that lesson. Always cover it up, no matter what.
Yeah, don't want to scratch up that pretty paint job.
Right. Ring goes back on. Your trim ring. Oh, look at that. That's a good looking headlight. Then you just take a screw.
It's got a little notched end and you can actually feel it when it seats itself into the hole. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Man, easy day. All right, let's cut it on. Let's watch the magic happen.
I started to go, right? You want to walk around? Got your keys on that?
Oh, shoot. I didn't know you got to be that close.
There it goes.
All right. Oh, that looks nice. And then you have the side blinkers, your turn signals.
I support bad decisions.
You got the HogWorkz turn signals. Makes it nice and sleek. Matches up perfectly. Yeah.